There's our flight to Manila. Actually, sa Clark ang baba namin since wala nang flight from San Jose to Manila directly. See you in Manila!
Okay lang.
I am super anxious about this flight kasi I am with a toddler and he's super active. Buti na lang talaga may playground dito sa airport. Super helpful, especially for mamas like me. Kasi kahit paano malilibang siya. Hopefully behave siya sa plane kasi I am alone and I'm so nervous. Adya. Put it in your head. Thank you. Oh. Ay. Who's that? Who's that? We are now at SM Marikina. Before lumipad yung plane, grabe yung maoy niya. Talagang nagwawala na siya. Thankfully, inantok and pinadede ko. And the whole flight, he was asleep. Wala pa. We're gonna be checking some makeup products. Linen. Thank you, Sim. Sabi na ihilo na ako kanina so dun sa mga makeup. So, ang kanina iPad kid. Oh. We are now at NAIA Terminal 3 for our flight Patuguegarao. We're just dropping our luggage. You know I walk 1,000 miles, I can just see you. We just landed to Tuguegarao Airport, guys. And it's so fast. Parang 40 minutes lang, which is good. And I'm so excited to eat pancit. Pancit Batil Pato. Bye! Batil Pato.
Kung gusto ko, hindi na po. Pero hindi pa siya nagsalita nung nilagay na iba nag-rap. Hindi niya alam makitawid. Nakaintindi. Kuya, kasi...
Oh! Talaga!